I'm founder and director of the company called Excellence Medical Technologies Private Limited. We are popularly known by our brand name Shalya, and it's synonymous to Shalya Chikitsa, the surgical name into our Sanskrit language. We have established in 2002, and since inception, we are working on various electromedical devices, typically into surgery, and then 2014 onward, we have diversified our portfolio into various other medical devices into OR, ranging from operation light, operation table, OR integration, and endoscopy devices. When we started this company, our vision was to give something which is lacking into India in healthcare sector, and being that we are always trying to innovate the technology and give the product which is not being developed into India by another company, and it is the required healthcare solution at the better price, that we are always trying to evolve and develop the solutions. And all our product range is typically first time make in India, and few times we are global leader also in these segments. So the core purpose of the organization is the innovation, and apart from that, to bring the ecosystem at a better level for medical devices. That's second purpose. So we are working in this direction. Regarding the organization being a technocrat, it was easy for me to manufacture the product, develop the product, but the typical challenges was into scaling up the organization, then marketing. Scaling up is the part, and the marketing is the sub part of that. So we was facing a typical challenge in the marketing. Then the second challenge was acquiring the talent hunt or the talent pool in the organization at the growth, and then to take our organization at the global level. So these are the typical challenges what we are facing from the beginning, and we are still working on that. I was been in one of the webinar which was organized by our forum in medical devices in India, and with that I connected with the Wadhwani Foundation, and I got to know about the activities done by Wadhwani Foundation during this COVID period, and it gives me some insights to see into the details. When I found out more about the organization and their helping hand, then it seems that it is a right opportunity for me to work, and I joined this program, and it is the gap where I need to fill up in the growth story. So I've been associated with Pratyush and Vivian from the initial period, and we are working together with both of you in this this program, typically to take the organization forward. Discovery process is well organized from your side, and it find out the lacunas in the organization, and along with that, it gives a lot of insights to take forward in the organization. Plus, it gives a lot of materials and tools to work on the organization. So the process was well defined, and it goes well as per the I think as per the industrial requirement or the SME requirement, what we typically face the challenges. So it was up to the mark. During the initial time, I was been in touch with both of you from Wadhwani Foundation, Pratyush and Vivian, and then as the discussion moved forward, and we was willing to take up the challenges in the marketing and typically the expansion of our business. So Wadhwani Foundation has advised us, some of the auditors and external consultants, to take it, and now we are linked with Mr. Matthew from VentureBean, and until we are working well. So we are chalking out the challenges, and we are working well on the issues which we are facing, and we are trying to find out the solutions on that. What we face in the past is we do not have the marketing. Typically, the marketing is done by a distributor network. Now, distributor are not willing to give us the market pool or the sales funnel, and they are not giving us the direction in the market. Second challenge we face is the customer ownership, because as the company initially it is driven by the dealer network, so we do not have the customer ownership, so there is no direct control on the market. So with this finding, we come to know that we should have a direct interaction in the market. So we have started putting up the manpower, we are engaging the more people into marketing at various level, and with that we had now initiated the zonal offices, and we had the office at Delhi, looking for the 4 zone offices, and then similarly we are expanding into international by direct presence through our marketing network. Internal consultants are well working. Basically, it's a bi-directional effort. Like internal consultants also taking a track of what we do with the external consultant and how the process is going into the direction as we desire from the initial. So both the way it is moving forward, and the course correction action happening in our regular meetings, that is weekly meetings with your internal advisors, and they are helping us on various challenges. Like one of them was training to our internal team, so that is being taken care with other program of Wadhwani Foundation for scaling up of our own team. So we are mentoring the team. The whole team is now under this program. Other programs, we are also working on digital marketing and various other initiatives done by Wadhwani Foundation in helping us. So this is all help coming up from the internal advisors of Wadhwani Foundation. These typically, as I said, it's a bi-directional effort. So whenever there is a course correction required, it is done in the weekly meeting, and that helps us to keep the track on our objective. And the basic objective is to change, uplift the livelihood of the people and get the more people engaged into the business, and increasing the I can say the manpower into the business by giving more opportunity for people working in the organization. So that we try to work together with this initiative, and that's going up because these regular meetings, weekly meetings keeps us on the track, and we are tracking some of the indexes where how these initiative going up. So that is being well planned, and we have targeted some of the indexes that we are regularly tracking on our weekly meetings. Definitely, see, at one level of the business growth, the people like me who has SMEs, typically SMEs with limited resources of manpower and support system. So we need a kind of helping hand where we need the expert opinion on the market analysis, market statistics, and market promotion activities to take forward. So typically it is very difficult to get all that inputs either directly from the consultants, or hunting the experts is also a difficulty. So here Wadhwani Foundation give us both the ways, like they help us into insights of the business by their own internal team, and also give us a pool of advisors who can help us on typically on the core issue. So I think that's a wonderful initiative which helps the business to grow, and typically the livelihood to grow for all the people involved in the business and in the employment. Definitely, because I found every business has some of the challenges at different level. As business grow from level 1 to level 2, you have different challenges. Level 2 to level 3, different challenges. Typically, we was the organization of 35 people when we moved into our new premises in 2013. until growth story was well before last 2 years, but then we feel a stagnation. And here, whatever we have done to grow the organization from 5 crore to 25 crore, all that doesn't work in the same way. So we need to see a different angle, and that angle we have to analyze in different way. The same ways what we work in the past is not helping us. So it should be more on the structure side. So with these Wadhwani Foundation efforts, I think it's a right direction and right help what we need in the industry. And they have wonderful programs on different level to take up the organization at scalable level. So I think it's helpful for every SME, and it's my genuine opinion to join this initiative, because it helps the ecosystem as well as helps the organization to grow, and the initiative is very genuine. So everyone should look forward to take this opportunity to grow the business.